Let's go, baby. Mobb Rideout. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir. We outside today, baby. Catch me some of this shade. Try to do a little bit more talking for y'all today. Even though I be listening to music and all that, man. Outside. Alright, baby. Let's go. They just making it. Outside, baby. Yeah, it's definitely about 100 and something out here. Let me over. Boy TJ at? Oh, my boy. There you go. Just told them don't goddamn go if you don't know where you going at. I like the view. I like the view. I know you do too. Got a little bit of everything out here. Don't know where we going at, but y'all better watch out for that bus. Okay, get you one. Scooter gang, he better come jump in the back. Okay, sound good. Look like M4. Gotta be a 300. It's like a little funny little sound. Oh, we about at the stadium already? Mercedes-Benz, yes sir. Okay. Oh, the big 12 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that bitch are like this. Yeah. Yes, big 12 o'clock. Old boy on this, I don't know what that was. Harley? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big crazy. You might well turn around, big dog. Okay. No, this is a jigsaw game. God bless America. The jigsaw. Woo. Somebody popping. Oh, you got an info on the God Bless America too? Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, get you one. Get you one. I don't think that was that one that did that other one. The other one was blue. Okay, everybody stop. Can't do nothing in this little hat. We outside again. These buildings up within 2 months, I guarantee you. That thing sound good too. Oh, he got that's the new booster Gen 3. He got the cans on that thing. Woo-wee. Couldn't be me. I took mine off as soon as I got my baby. Ain't no way. It's clean though. Jigsaw gang. Woo. The light, bro? Oh, he's stunting. Oh, he's stunting. See? That's exactly what happened. Exactly happened to me last time. Somebody else stopped, but I ain't hit him though. Get out the way of some of these people that don't know what got going on. Oh yeah, we definitely catching some of this shade too, my God. Oh, 10 degrees cooler. Woo. What a day to be on a motorcycle, baby.